Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today you join me at Dunraven Bay in Southerndown, South Wales. As you can see, it's an absolutely amazing location and a place which I've visited in the past but never on a bike, so I thought this was a good starting point. Today it's just going to be a short journey around the coast, stop off at a couple of places, and then we're going to end up at the Baffle Haus Old Post for a spot of lunch. So if you want to see how I get on, jump on the pillion seat and I'll take you for a ride. So here we are at the South Wales Aviation Museum in St Athan. First time I've ever been here, but definitely well worth me making the extra few miles to come here because there is a great selection of planes. Sadly, the museum isn't open today, but I think I'll definitely be returning because, as you can see, there is quite a lot to look around, and that's before you get into the big hangar there. So highly recommend calling in here and taking a look around.
How long's it gonna be before we get on the bus and cause no fuss? Get a grip on yourself, it's all cost much. Free to be whatever you say. If it comes my way, it's alright. You're free to be wherever you please. You can't choose the place if you want. It always seems to me you always see what people want you to see. How long's it gonna be before we get on the bus? It does no fuss. Get a grip on yourself, it don't cost much. Free to be whatever I choose, and I'll sing the blues if I want.
Hello and welcome to Barry Island in South Wales. As you can see, I've got an absolutely spectacular autumnal day for a ride. The sun is shining, the temperature's nice and high. This place is obviously famous for the Gavin and Stacey series, but it's definitely still worth a ride down here on a summer's day to grab an ice cream and sit on the beachfront and have a look. There's some beautiful scenery around here and some great roads also. Obviously, it's like most seaside towns now, it's not what it once was, but if you come in summer, the beach will still be absolutely rammed, so it's definitely still a place worth coming down and grabbing a coffee, grabbing an ice cream and enjoying a bit of sunshine if you're out riding in this area.
Wherever you please, you can't choose the place if you want. It always seems to me you always see what people want you to see. How long's it gonna be before we get on the bus? It does no fuss. Get a grip on yourself, it don't cost much. Free to be whatever
I'm now arriving at the Captain's Wife's pub in Sully. I spent the longest day of the year here a few years ago, enjoying a meal, sat out in the lovely evening sunshine. You can walk out to the island opposite, but remember to check the tide times, as I believe quite a few people don't bother to do this and end up stuck.
You know you might find
So as you can see, I've made it here to Baffle Haus, the old post. The bike is looking superb next to the share a ride sign. I've just been inside and had a lovely goat's cheese salad. The staff were really friendly and accommodating. I had a great chat with Adam in there about all things biking. I've got to say, I very highly recommend coming to this place if you're in the area. This definitely is how biking or car petrol head places should be. This is absolutely superb, so I will definitely be back. So here we are then at the final destination for today's short autumnal ride. This is Cosmeston Lakes. You can see a partial sighting of the lake there in the background. There's also a medieval village here, so that's definitely worth a visit. As I say, today's been only a short ride, but that's mainly because we're losing the light so quickly nowadays. But when I woke up this morning, looked out and it was blue skies, I thought this is an opportunity not to be missed. So I jumped on the bike and decided to go and take in a few roads which I've not done before and visit a few spots which I have visited before but not on a bike. Obviously the highlight of the day was going to Baffle Haus. I very much recommend calling in there if you're in the area or if you want somewhere to ride to. That's a great location or destination to head towards. The food was great, the service was great. As I say, it's just a short video today, just to enjoy a bit of sunshine and an excuse to get out on the bike. If you're interested in any of the locations which I've been to, just drop me a comment below and I'll try and help out with any info that I can. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, comment and subscribe below. Remember to keep it shiny side up, and I'll see you all in the next one.